Density of a white oak. First of all, it's not going to come up in the problem, so let's just discuss this now. The trunk of a tree. What type of figure are we dealing with? A cylinder. Okay, I didn't need spheres in the house here today. Okay, we are dealing with a cylinder here. The trunk has a circumference of 4.5 and the height is 8. What's the approximate number of kilograms? So we're looking for the weight here. Okay, we're looking for the weight. Quick check. Everyone see the density? Kilograms per cubic meter. What's the trunk in? What units? Meters. Okay, great. Love it. Don't have to convert anything. All right, so density equals mass divided by volume. They tell us the density is 752. We're looking for how much it weighs. What do we have to calculate on our own? The volume of the trunk. And you said what was the trunk in the shape of? A cylinder. Anybody got the volume formula to start us off for a cylinder? 11, volume formula for a cylinder. Look back. Yep. That's what. Yep. I got another problem. Got the height, don't have the radius. Because what value did I give you guys? Circumference formula. Pi d, yep, that'll get me the radius. So I'm going to plug that 4.5 in for circumference. Set it equal to pi times d. Excuse me. So you guys are divide both sides by pi. Find the diameter. And again, you guys know what the deal is. I don't round a darn thing until the end of the problem. So 1.432394488. That's only the diameter, right? Before you plug it into the volume formula, what do you have to do? Cut that sucker in half. Cut it in half. So you're going to get the volume equal to pi. Cut it in half. Another long decimal, which I'm not rounding. 39 all squared. And what was the height? 8. And then I'll let you guys finish the problem from here. Find the volume, plug it back in, and find your mass. And I'll ask somebody in a minute, what'd you get for your mass? And it says approximate. It does. There are no specific rounding directions. It says approximate. So let's just go nearest pound. Let's go nearest pound. Nearest kilogram, excuse me. Nearest kilogram. Three, when you're ready, nearest kilogram. I'll just go nearest kilogram. That's fine. But yes, that's what it would have come out to be. There we go. 9,694 kilograms. You okay with those? Questions? I really didn't. Okay, can I just go real hardcore? Can I just get to one of them and then I'll let you go on your own? 7. Teresa versus Nancy. Who pays more to fill their pool? So we got a rectangular versus a circle pool. They get their water service from the tap from the city and from a service. Fancy you, Nancy. A little key here at the end of the problem, they're only going to fill their pool 6 inches from the top. They're not going to fill all of it. They're going to stop at 6 inches from the top. Who paid more? I apologize for this unprofessionalism here. I don't know how that came out like that, but this is 1 cubic foot equals 7.48 gallons. All right, you ready? Teresa up first. Let's figure out how much she pays to fill up the old pool. She's got a rectangular pool, 30 by 15 by 4. But I'm not multiplying all 3 of them. I'm not multiplying 30 by 15 by 4. What'd the end of the problem tell us? She only fills it 6 inches, inches from the top. Inches from the top. So yeah, I'm going to do 30 by 15. But it is 4 feet deep, but not full of water. 6 inches is half a foot. 4 feet total. She fills it half a foot before the top. So what are we putting here now? 3.5. Everyone see where that's coming from, the 3.5. So the volume of the water in her pool, 1,575 cubic feet. Yep.
If you wanted to convert this all to inches, that would be fine.
You could, but look what your conversion is. But it's not. I'm going to tell you, don't try to convert after you find the volume. Because I know you guys think 12 inches equals a foot, right? And that's true. But I'm going to tell you that 12 cubic inches does not equal 1 cubic foot. Okay, I'm not going to get into it and start confusing people, but this does not apply to when you do with cubic stuff. Okay, you can't divide by 12. You're actually going to divide by 12 cubed. All right, so I would not try to put it to inches, no. Yes, that would complicate life greatly. Okay, how much does it cost to fill that pool then? Well, they charge by the gallon, right? So we need to convert our cubic feet into gallons. I'd set up a proportion. If you're not sure if you divide or multiply, set up a proportion. 1 cubic foot over 7.48 gallons. Line them up. 1575 over how many gallons? And you'll find out pretty quickly. You end up multiplying those. So how many gallons is she going to have? You guys getting 1,178 gallons? 11,000. Oh, sorry, I forgot a digit. 11,781 gallons. Any issues yet? Because this might be the hardest part at the end is figuring how much you're going to get charged. So that's how many gallons. And the service she used charges her $3.95 per 100 gallons. Not per gallon, per 100 gallons. Set up a proportion. Set up a proportion. That's the easiest way out of this. Don't try to figure out if you need to multiply or divide on your own. Set up a proportion. Here you go. Ready? 100. I don't care what you put on top, but 100 gallons, and you're going to charge me $3.95. And then where's my 11,781 going to go? Across, wherever you put the gallons, across from it. And then find out how much you're going to get charged. Easiest way to do the conversions. Set up a little proportion for yourself. Okay, you're going to get charged probably no more than cents. I don't think they go further, right, than cents. So I have $465.35. When I cross multiply and divide by 100, I think, check me on that. And I'm going to let you guys do the same thing now, but for Nancy. And she has a circular pool now. So be careful on her height. Be careful on the height with her circular pool. See how much they're going to charge Nancy now. Yeah, it's not a spherical pool. Let me know when you guys ever see a spherical pool in somebody's yard. Yes, AKA drowning. I don't know what you want. And remember, she's only filling it up half a foot from the top. Okay, here we go. Just so you can get going on your own work. Look like Nancy paid about $394.79 at the end. Okay, after you converted and found out how much she paid. She pays now $200 for 6,000 gallons. So she paid a little bit less, even though it seems like a lot more, $200 versus $3.95. But okay. Questions there? All right, I have not had the opportunity to post the answers on Aspen. I will next period, but if you get done with one and you want to check it with me, feel free. Okay, you got the rest of the time here. The homework is to finish the problems we did not do. Okay, please call me over to either check an answer or to get some help. And then these will be up on Aspen by next period.